So I'm back with another video. One of my recent rides, I had my crank sort of falling off, and I think that the reason is user error. I didn't tighten down these pinch bolts, so basically what had happened is the crank was coming loose. It forced out this plastic cap, and this pretty much held it in place until I was able to notice that it was gone. So I thought, okay, just order a new one off of Amazon. I would have believed that these would be just a standard size. I got it. It was the wrong size. Did a little research. What I found was that the size is 19 millimeter and not a 20. So ordered a 19. Took 5 days or so to get here. And we're going to try to throw it on there and see. So this is the piece that I got before. This came next day because I believe this is kind of the standardized 20 millimeter cap that most manufacturers use. Obviously that one didn't work, so I got this one, M19. And I'll put a link down below. This one is aluminum versus the plastic that comes with the IXF cranks. So it should be a better overall quality. So let's throw this on the angle there. So as you can see, you might be able to see there, it's stripped out on these first few threads, and that's as far in as it went. So basically what had happened is the force that I was putting down on the pedals stripped these out. Eventually this fell out. Found it on the ground later. That's what was causing my pedal slip. I'm going to test fit to make sure that this works. Got spider webs on me. And it looks like this is going to be a go. So anybody out there with the IXF crankset, if you happen to lose that little plastic cap here, order yourself an M19 and not the 20. And I knew I had spider web on me. There's a little spider crawling on my hand there. Probably can't see it, but I have, my face is covered in spider web. I don't know if there's more than one. I'm sure we'll find out soon when they start crawling all over me. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to take this back out. I just wanted to test that it's going to actually fit. Push it back in there. I'm going to grab a rag, wipe that out. There's a bunch of gunk in there. So grab a rag. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Make sure that you keep your pedals. We're going to take the grease, metal on metal, always a good idea. Just going to throw a light coating of grease on there, just because we can. Why not? Who doesn't like grease? Just a dab will do ya. And with that, just a little bit, wipe myself off. And then we're going to throw this back in. Always do a kind of a reverse before you start going forward. That way you can make sure you're not cross-threading. So that feels like it's on. From here, get our Allen key back out and slowly put some pressure on there that I'm too familiar with. So that feels a little bit better. So yeah, again, don't tighten this down too much. because you could compress this all the way. Everything will be super tight in there and you won't be able to move. You want it just to be just enough. It feels pretty good there. Come back over here, tighten these back down again. Make sure that they're not going anywhere. Just hand tight. And just like that. Back to riding with some confidence that my pedals or my cranks aren't fall off. No play, all good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Again, I'll put a link to this crank cap in the description. Pick yourself up one. Appreciate everybody's views and comments. It's all been great. So until next time, thanks for watching.